Right, let's now go into detail. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the original and main cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was the first created cryptocurrency. It was like almost like the proof of concept that digital cash and a digital cash system can work that can work exclusive of banks. Now, Bitcoin was actually thought up in 2009. The white paper was created. The white paper is essentially the blueprint of what the project is all about. Bitcoin was the first one, so it's the original and it's the main cryptocurrency. It's classed as digital gold. It continuously and consistently appreciates in value. Okay, it has been worth nearly $20,000 per Bitcoin. So it's seen as gold. As cryptocurrency, as an asset class, thrives, so does Bitcoin because it's the original and it's the one to use to buy everything. Which brings me on to the next point. It's the main buying cryptocurrency for altcoins. Altcoins is every other coin than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the original, and everything else is an altcoin. Even Ethereum is an altcoin. Now, in order to buy any of the altcoins, one of the main buying cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. Okay, so if you wanted to buy it, you can't buy it with dollars or pounds. You buy it with Bitcoin or Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin, but Bitcoin is the main buying one. You can buy most cryptocurrencies, if not all cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin. It's the one most likely to be adopted by mainstream. Why? Because it's the one that at the moment has the largest amount of transactions on a daily basis. It's the most well known and therefore the most credible. Therefore, investing in Bitcoin is a relatively safe investment because it's going to last whilst everything else has the potential to fail. Because Bitcoin has been around for the longest time and it's the most valuable. And also it's the one that's got the most consistent growth versus all of the other altcoins. All of the other altcoins, they experience probably higher volatility, which means it can make significantly better gains. You can get significant multipliers on your investment with altcoins, but you could also get very significant losses with altcoins. Whereas Bitcoin is stable. A lot of the wealthy people invest in Bitcoin for the future, and therefore it holds its value and grows in value. So that is what Bitcoin is. The main cryptocurrency, the most credible cryptocurrency, and digital gold.